What's up, YouTube? I'm doing another enthusiastic overview of this game on gaming headset that I found at Walmart for about $29. It's about $10 more than the last headset that I bought at Walmart under the same brand, which has already been destroyed in less than a week. Let me see if I can find a photo of the old headset I had that got destroyed. I made a video of it. I'll put a link at the end of the video. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. Just a second. Okay, this was the headset I bought about a week ago. Includes a boom mic, just like this one, but it has already been destroyed. The USB cable was left in the computer with some wires hanging out when the headset was attempted to be removed from the computer. So anyway, that one's going to the great graveyard of headsets. Anyway, we'll go back to the new headset I have. So this is the new headset. It actually comes in a gray box that says Game On Gaming Headset with yellow letters. Here's a picture of one. So anyway, this retails currently selling for $29.95 at Walmart. So we go back to their sales page, and you can see it's $29.94. Has this boom mic is actually detachable. You can unplug it just like you're unplugging the end of a headset. So that is actually pretty cool. Keeps it from getting broken. Then you have this nice headset, which has much better sound than the headset that was $20 or $10 less. If you're thinking between the two, I would just go ahead and buy this one because the sound's a lot better. And let's see what else we have here. It's got 48 ratings, 4.5 stars. Oh yeah, let's see this. One thing I kind of don't like, here's where you plug in the microphone. I do like that part. Let's see, the thing I don't like is this. You got your cable coming out of the headphone, and then you got to plug this. You got to plug this thing, the end of the cable, into this splitter, and then from there the splitter goes into either the microphone or port for the headset. Not a big fan of that. I just don't know. And that about wraps it up. This is just kind of more of a microphone test, so you will be able to get a better idea of what the microphone sounds like. I haven't done anything extra post-processing wise with the audio. This is just how it sounds. And hopefully that makes it easier for you to decide if you want to get this. But it's really not bad for 29 bucks. Can't complain. One final thing I will say is pretty sure that mine may have been returned and Walmart may have put it back on the shelf. Not 100% sure, but it looked a little bit sloppy when I opened it. Everything was there, but I don't know. Just a gut feeling. So just keep your eye out for that if you suspect it's a really bad returned item that they're trying to give to somebody, then just make sure it works perfectly and is up to your standards. And if not, yeah, you might want to return it. All right, that's about it. If you can, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Good luck if you buy this headset. Bye.